Here is how to get Steam on your computer. You need to use a web browser like Google Chrome to search for Steam. Go to its official Steam website, that is store.steampowered.com. Click on Install Steam in the top right corner, that is highlighted in green color. Then select Install Steam, which is highlighted in blue color with the Windows icon. Once you tap on that, you need to first download the Steam setup. Click on Save to save it in your Downloads folder. Then access your Downloads folder from your File Explorer page, and then click on the Steam setup. Follow the instructions you see and click on Next each time. Pick your language and where you want Steam to be installed. And when it's done, make sure that the Run Steam is checked. And then after log into your Steam account, if you do not have one, click on Create a Free Account at the bottom, and you'll need an email and password. And once you're in, you can go to your library and find and install games. If you don't have any, you can buy them or find free ones. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.